everybody, it's Nicole with CellBotics. I'm here with Ysa, who is our micro soldering trainer, and we're going to talk about what kind of clients you can get if you take the micro soldering course. So, Ysa, in your experience, what kind of clients can you get with this sort of training, like to make money?
To make money, you can get any type of clients. For example, you can get a regular store customer.
So somebody like owns a store, and then they,
well, yeah.
or no, like a retail client.
Retail client,
Okay.
you know,
like someone that calls you locally and needs work done.
right. Okay, so we'll start.
Yeah,
we'll start basic.
That's fine. Yeah, let's do that.
So,
I'll confuse the whole thing because I don't micro solder. So.
You can, for example, you can open up a kiosk. You know, you see the kiosk in the mall. You can have your regular walk-in clients.
Ah, okay.
That's
I get it now.
that's one option. Or you can go up to a store owner and you can work for them. And they can bring in the phones. They can have, you know, they say, we fix phones. They don't fix them. They give them to you. And you pick up the phones and you go home and you fix them and you come back.
Well, it would be like if they, like maybe they do phone repair, but like they do basic repair and like they need an extensive damage. Because some people, they don't know anything about phones and they're just coming here for board work. So they wouldn't be changing screens and stuff. They would be doing like board work, right?
That's true.
Right. So yes, yeah.
Right. Micro soldering. I'm sorry.
It's okay. So it would be like you would work with local repair shops or other, you know, which eventually I'm sure she was going to say shops in other states, but local repair shops, they fix phones. Maybe they poke something wrong and break something or smash a connector. You're the person that they call, right?
Yes. So when they can't fix it, they'll usually call you.
Right.
So you're you know, everybody has different levels of repairs. Most stores are a certain level. When they can't do it, but they need it fixed, they'll call you.
You are the
Last resort.
last resort, like a very important.
You're the savior.
You are the, right, you're like, oh my God, this customer's phone's not coming on. I scraped a connector off. I've done that before. I've used micro solders many times. So, you know, especially like when you own a store, like I did, multiple locations, and you have new employees and you train them, but sometimes they don't pick it up immediately. And so the learning curve happens on customers' phones. You need a very good micro solderer who can turn the phone around quick, hopefully locally. If not, you have to mail the phone, which I've had to do a lot because it's very hard to find local micro solderers.
So that is an advantage. You know, micro soldering is not a skill that.
Technical difficulties. Turn this off. Okay. All right. Just some noise coming out of the speaker. There you go.
Micro soldering is not a skill that everybody has. It's not a skill that everybody can master. So you're going to be one of the few that can do this, which makes you the person that's very highly sought after.
Right.
So you can't just relegate yourself to stores. You can go to corporations. You can go to universities. You can go to any institution and offer these services. Because what you do, not everybody can do. Or not everybody's even trained in properly to do. And that's what's going to differentiate you from the rest of the repair world.
Right, yeah, because micro solderers, especially when you connect with one that turns things around really well, their processes are good, you know, it's easy to get things to them and get them back. You know, you have tracking, there's a process to it. You know, it's not like you just send it to them. They like, yes, here's my address, and you send it, and then you never hear from them. So that's something that I'll be talking to you about during the consulting that I'm going to give with this course is like just processes. Like, how would you accept a phone from someone? Like, what do you need paperwork-wise? You know, we'll be going over all of that. So, but Ysa will be working with you the whole course, teaching you all the nitty-gritty repair stuff. So go ahead and go check out our course. It's on cellbotics.com. You go to courses, micro soldering. If you have any questions, give us a call. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.